Howdy. Well, you can tell by the title of this video, this is about smoked buckskin. Right here I have a piece I just finished up. I had several hides setting in a shed in varying degrees of decay for probably about the last 5 years. And I managed to salvage one of them. Actually came out pretty good. It's not the not my nicest work, but you can see there's several holes that I stitched up in order to salvage this. But lots of usable buckskin on this, and I smoked the color I like. Very smoky, very fresh. Just got it off the smoker, and it's a really nice piece. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that watches my videos. I appreciate hearing from everyone. And if you're interested in receiving this, write me a comment. What projects you're currently working on, planning to work on, or have just finished up. What's everyone up to? What are some of the primitive projects you're working on? What's everyone maybe wanting to get started, and maybe a project you've been meaning to start and getting ready to start, or anything like that. Let me know what everyone's up to, and that will enter you in the contest to receive this nice piece of smoked buckskin. And I will probably let this video run for about a week, and we'll pick a winner. So thanks everyone again for sticking with me all these years, watching my videos, and have fun and good luck.